In the early hours of October 20th, 2025, the cloud went dark. Amazon Web Services, better known as AWS, suffered a massive outage that rippled across the globe, temporarily shutting down thousands of websites, apps, and online services. For hours, the digital world slowed to a crawl. Major platforms, including social media apps, streaming services, banking tools, and even Amazon's own Alexa and Ring devices, went offline or struggled to load. Millions of users were suddenly reminded just how dependent our world has become on a single cloud provider. At the center of the chaos was AWS's US East 1 region in Northern Virginia, one of its largest and most critical data hubs. A glitch in the system's domain routing and internal health monitoring caused widespread service disruption. Essentially, the brain that routes cloud traffic lost its balance, and the entire digital body started to stumble. Businesses felt the impact immediately. E-commerce sites couldn't process transactions. Streaming services lost viewers. Payment apps like Venmo and banking platforms experienced downtime. For companies relying on AWS to power their websites, APIS, or customer management systems, the outage translated directly into lost productivity and lost revenue. Even a few hours offline can cost large enterprises millions of dollars. The outage wasn't caused by a cyber attack, but it served as a harsh reminder that even the most advanced cloud infrastructure can fail. In a hyper-connected world, where businesses rely on automation and cloud integration for every function, a single point of failure can ripple outward like a digital earthquake. Over 2,000 companies reported technical issues. Outage trackers logged more than 11 million user complaints within just a few hours. From entertainment and finance to education and logistics, few industries were untouched. AWS engineers worked quickly to restore service. By the end of the day, most systems were back online, but many platforms spent hours recovering data and clearing backlogs. For some, the damage had already been done. Missed orders, delayed payments, and frustrated customers. So, what does this mean for the future of cloud computing? First, over-reliance on a single provider or region is dangerous. If your business operates entirely from one cloud environment, an outage like this can bring your operations to a halt. Second, redundancy is no longer optional. Organizations must invest in multi-region or multi-cloud strategies to ensure continuity when one system fails. Third, AI-driven monitoring and automated recovery systems are now critical. Modern infrastructure needs to detect anomalies and reroute traffic automatically before customers ever notice a problem. The AWS outage of 2025 wasn't the first, and it won't be the last. But it highlights a growing truth. The cloud is not infallible. It's powerful, scalable, and vital. But it's still built on physical systems, human maintenance, and code that can fail. The world learned a valuable lesson yesterday. Resilience must be built in, not hoped for. Because when the world's biggest cloud platform goes down, the entire digital economy feels it. Stay aware, stay adaptive, and remember, the strength of your digital world depends on how well you prepare for the moments when it breaks. This is Future Shields AI, defending tomorrow's digital world. Subscribe to stay informed and stay ahead of the next big digital disruption.